So we are going to do a little research today. The link is right here to a search engine called Kiddle. It looks like this. This is a little bit safer version of a search engine for kids instead of just going to Google. So you're going to have a piece of paper. We are going to help Cupid explore the United States. And so you have 10 questions, and you're going to have to use your research skills to find out the state that Cupid is in for each of these clues. So for example, number 1, Rosa Parks wouldn't give up her seat on a bus. So I'm going to figure out what is the key part of that question that I need to know. So I need to know something about Rosa Parks and bus seat. Now, normally, since Rosa Parks is a person, we would capitalize it. When we're doing a search, it doesn't really matter. I can either hit enter or I can click the little search magnifying glass. Remember, I want to know the state in which this happened. So if I look right here, I don't even have to click on the link. By refusing to give her seat to a white man on a Montgomery, Alabama bus. So what city am I going to write? Alabama. So right here on this line, I would write Alabama. Then I would go and find the answer to number 2. So I would go back to my Kiddle, and I'm going to go back up here, and I'm going to change my search. And now I'm going to look for where Abraham Lincoln was born. Now I don't need to type in every single word because words like is not going to help me in a search engine. But I want the main terms that are going to help me get my results. So today I need you to find the answer to all 10 of these questions. And then tomorrow we're going to take those states and we are going to make a map of these states in Google's My Map.